In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change leverage FTMO. Here's the straightforward truth you need first. You cannot manually change leverage on an FTMO account. The leverage is fixed by FTMO and there is no switch in MT4, MT5, or your client dashboard that will alter it. FTMO clearly states the maximum leverage is typically up to 1/100 on their normal accounts, while swing accounts are capped at up to 130, and changing leverage is not allowed. With that out of the way, let's talk about what you can control, because your effective leverage does change based on your decisions. The most powerful control you have is your lot size. Smaller lots use less leverage, bigger lots use more. Think of it as a volume knob on your risk. If you open 0.01 lots on a major Forex pair, your exposure and margin usage are tiny. If you open 1.20 lot, you are using far more of the available leverage and increasing both potential gains and potential losses. As a quick guide, on many Forex pairs, 1 lot moves about $10 per pip, while 0.01 lot moves about 10 cents per pip. So by adjusting lots, you are effectively adjusting how much of that fixed leverage you are actually using. Your second lever is the account type you choose at setup or when you move between phases. A normal FTMO account offers up to 1/100, while a swing account offers up to 130. You pick this before you start trading, or you can switch when you progress between stages but not during active trading on a live challenge or funded account. If you prefer holding trades over news and want lower maximum leverage, swing may fit. If you need higher flexibility intraday, the normal account is designed for that. The third factor is the asset you trade. Different instruments come with different preset margin requirements. Forex pairs generally have the highest leverage, often up to 1/100. Indices are lower, and crypto can be very low, sometimes effectively 1.1. This is automatic on the broker side. You don't control it, but you can plan around it. To keep control, define your risk per trade and use a position size calculator. Always check the symbols contract specifications in your platform to see margin requirements before you click buy or sell. Simple summary: you cannot change FTMO leverage manually. It is fixed by FTMO, and you control your real-world leverage by adjusting lot size, choosing the appropriate account type at the right time, and selecting instruments with margin profiles that fit your plan.